Today, guys, what I'm going to do is go into WeOnMarket.com, actually log in and show you the platform and some of the incredible features that it has on here. So once you're inside of the platform, guys, you're going to see it looks like this, okay? It looks exactly like TradingView. Now, you can change it to an informational chart if you want, but the trading chart is, of course, the way we like it. If you want the TradingView style like we do, you can here, and the classic chart, you can actually change it to that as well. I love TradingView, so I'm going to keep it like this. And the fact that we can do this all in one platform is so much better as well. So, guys, the first thing I want to point out is the artificial intelligence and machine learning integration on side of here, okay? We have an abundance of features that help you out, and let's just have a look at some of them right now. You can see here the bearish and bullish chart view. Okay, it will show you what is going on. So as we change our token, so let's go to favorites. You can see I love gold. All right, it'll tell you if we are in a bearish momentum or a bullish momentum. And guys, this isn't something you should just trade off. This is just another comprehensive way of ensuring that what you're trading is correct. So if we went to Amazon stocks, okay, you will see now it's bullish. All these different things, guys, is AI's working behind the scenes to show you this. Okay, we have real-time events coming up. So what it does, it adapts and learns from market trends, providing users with dynamic insights. Also, guys, we have all algorithmic trading strategies. They have so many different algorithms and indicators on here. So if you have a look at the indicators, for example, all right, they've got so many different ones that you can choose to help you along your trading. So let's go with, we're going to trade GBP USD, and we want to use the moving average weighted, which I would say is probably my favorite. Okay, you can see here it comes up just like trading chart would. All right, so you can use this to your full advantage, start marking up the chart as you wish. All right, however it is you want to do that, and use the indicators with it. Guys, there is so much to this. All right, there is potential for users to create and deploy their algorithmic strategies on here also, so you don't just have to use other people's, you can actually create your own. Okay, as advanced chart and technical analysis, you can see just by looking at what I'm looking at right now. Okay, this is the same with stocks, same with commodities, whatever it is you choose. Okay, so let's go to indices, choose the FTSE 100. Okay, and you will see everything is very duplicatable. So you can always get used to marking up a chart no matter what it is. So let's use the triple EMA. You can add all these indicators to your chart, okay, and have it as technical as you wish. Guys, this is for you, okay? Do not just copy someone else's indicators because they use them. Use the ones that make you feel comfortable. So once you're on here, if you don't know how to draw up a chart, guys, you need to go and learn this yourself, but simple terms, all right? If you're going to use your trend lines, all these different kind of tools here, you see a trend line, arrow ray, all of them in the top box. If you want to go into your fib retracements, going all the way down to the Gann box and the Gann squares, all the way to your drawing, brushes, highlighters, rectangles, everything that you need to make your trading journey comfortable, okay? This isn't for me to teach you how to trade. This is simply me giving you a few tips on how to use this chart markup. So guys, let's have a look at this, all right? Let me just delete this for you real quick. Okay, you can actually see how to draw on a chart, okay? So this is how I would draw mine, okay? I would be finding the support and resistance. I would be finding the trending lines and the different areas. This looks like one to me, okay? So look how easy it is. You just simply drag and drop exactly like TradingView. It's incredible, okay? And it's all in one platform. So every feature on here is incredible. Okay, traders, investors should be exploring this, whether you're a beginner, whether you are brand new, okay, it actually does not matter because there is always something here for you. And if you are brand new to trading, you should be learning from a mentor, but you need somewhere to actually mark the charts up, whether you're a professional or a beginner. This is that place for you guys. So make sure you do hit the links down below to get involved, all right? Get on WeOnMarket. It's probably the best platform out there. I'm so grateful that I get to use this every single day. Now I found it. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell if you want to be notified, guys, and I will see you on the next video.